So one of the joints on this sofa is a bridle joint, and I want to show you how to make that. So I've started by attaching a tall fence to my miter gauge, and I've set the inside face of my fence to the outside edge of that blade at 1 inch. And lastly, I made the height of that blade the thickness of the stock I'm planning on cutting. I've stood my first piece up, again up against my tall fence, and clamped it in place. Now I'm just going to pass this over the blade, flip it end for end, and do the same thing. And I will do all of those particular joints at this time. I'll slide the fence off to one side and use the same setup to clean all the waste from between those two cut edges. Now it's time to move on to the opposite cut. Everything stays the same, except that in this case, I'm going to move the measurement between my fence and the blade, and instead of 7/8 to the inside of that blade, I want to move 7/8 to the outside of that blade. Again, the blade height stays the same. I'll take the second parts of these joints and clamp them vertically, again, onto my miter gauge high fence, and cut one side, flip the piece side to side, and cut it again. And I'll do that again for all of those pieces that have to be cut. Now, to trim the ends of each of those pieces, lower the blade so it matches the cut line, and secondly, the new distance from the fence to the outside of the blade is the width of the 2x4. That's the material we're using. Now take your boards and lay them horizontally and make a pass on either side, which removes the small legs on either end. That completes the joint.